What's up, beautiful babes? How you doing? It's Saturday morning. What is it? Saturday, February 23rd? I don't even know what day of the week it is. Isn't that bad? Anywho, I just wanted to pop in because guess what? I got an Amazon order today. Oh, I'm so excited about this one. I don't know what to do, but I had to show it to y'all because I know y'all be wanting to know. So you can possibly what the young folks say, copy some of this merchandise. Let me show you this. Ta-da! Look at these headbands. These bow headbands say OMG. Okay, isn't that not the cutest ever? Yup, I'm still in the bed and Mike just brought me the box from outside and I say this is so cute. Hey, this is pretty wide and it's pretty soft, so I think that's gonna work out great. It came with a pack. It's a pack of 6 of them, so I'm just going to unbundle them. You get like a light blue one, and here's a nice hot pink one. Now that looks pale pink to me, or it may be like a purple, kind of lavender, really light, I don't know, lilac color. So that's pretty. Oh, this is a nice color. I have like a kind of peachy white one like this, but this is a pretty color. Is that peach? I mean, it's not quite orange to me. I don't know. This is a pretty nice feminine color there. These are great for, especially if you have long hair. I just like them because I think I look cute in them. I just like it for that reason. And here is another like light pink um, head bow, headband, and then finally the white one, which is really the one I truly was aiming for, is the white one. And of course, y'all girl Maddie, why don't you get your niece? Because she's always like dipping and looking. And I told her, I said, well, if it comes, I know you'll be asleep by the time when the Amazon truck runs. So I'm going to swipe it. But this is so cute. But so we wouldn't argue, I got another surprise. But look, it also came with this little scrunchie, but this is cute for somebody's grandbaby. Okay, this probably won't work for me. I'm not sure what this is. I'm not sure if it's a bowette, but it's more girly. It's for a little girl, I think. I'm not sure, but we'll see about that. And it also came with these little I call them scrunchies. I don't know what you call them, rubber bands and so forth. But y'all know Maddie, she has grown out her little top bun. It is so cute. So she'll be loving this. Okay, so I'm just gonna put this inside of here. And if she does not want this, somebody's grandbaby gonna get this, okay? And a giveaway for sure. But let me show you the other bows as well. Y'all, to die for. Look, it has little hearts on it. So nice. Oh my gosh. And the one thing that's different about these, it has a little wire in here that you can actually bend this any kind of way you want to. Like, okay, and it's got hearts on it. So it's 6 of these as well. So you got the pale pink. This one is gray. And it has a black one in here. Oh, yes. Yes. Now, I know she didn't ask for this, but listen, y'all. This is the white one. I don't know. I might take this white one instead of the other one. I'm not sure. I'm not sure. It's so nice. And here's a blue one. And I try to match them up with my robes, so. And here's like a khaki tan color or something like that. And it also came with the same little bow, which I'll put in the bag and these little scrunchy things here. So, okay, so cute. So she'll take that for sure. So I'm going to sort through them and see exactly which ones I want. And I had to get my favorite toothpaste, of course. This is Tom's, the anti-plaque and whitening fluoride free natural toothpaste. Yes, I love this stuff. So in fact, the other one is in my empties for my upcoming empties video, and I may do that today. Who knows? I need to, because I hate that it piles up. I cannot believe I did not even think I could actually go through that much stuff, but I did. Now I gotta get all my trash up. Okay, this is how it goes. You shop and you clean up the mess. Okay. So that's it, beautiful babes. Guess what? I'm gonna let y'all go and sort through these headbands and see which ones I'm going to keep and which ones I'm going to give up. So there we are. Toodles. So freaking cute. Oh, yeah. Don't you just love it? What's up, beautiful babes? How you be? Well, the week has come to a close. It is now Sunday. I finally got the dates right. I know it's February 23rd. I keep saying the wrong date, but y'all, I got another Amazon order in, and well, some of the stuff is Maddie, so I know she don't mind me showing you, but we got a case of these alcohol. You know, we use lots of alcohol to sterilize everything around in this beauty room, and when she does nails and stuff like that, to sterilize the utensils. But a box of alcohol, look at there, a whole dadgum case of it, and she'll be glad that's here. And something that, you know, when you're having spa day, I love these. These are the Vibe lotion applicators. Someone asked me, how do you apply your lotions to your back? You know, I got a Mr. Mike, so Mr. Mike handles my back for me, okay? But in the event that you don't, you can always, if you don't have a Mr. Mike that is willing to put the lotion on your back, put your oils on your back, you can use these Vibe lotion applicators. You get 3 additional pads in this little pack. This got an extra long handle on it, and all you have to do, I went ahead and ordered me a new one because mine was about shot to the curb, okay? But it comes with this nice long stick with a little grip on it so it won't slip out of your hand. You get 4, okay? It actually comes with 1, but you get 3 additional in the pack. And all you have to do is take your little sponge and mash it on the stick. It's, you know, it take a little maneuvering, but you can get it in there easily, and it won't slip off. I promise you, once it gets in there, it's stuck for life. You have to fight to get it off. So, and there you go, and that's the way you do it. And you just take it. Oh yeah, it's great. It's really great. And again, this is how you put your lotion on your back. You just squeeze the lotion on here, take your lotion, squeeze it on pump. I'm not going to do it because I'm not getting ready to use it right now, but that's how you do it. And also, you can take it right in the shower with you to just do a soft little back wash. So it's great for that as well. So I love this so much. And if you're traveling with it, it comes with a travel bag. You know, you can do all that, but I don't know if you're going to be needing all that. So this just gets tucked away. Glad to have this back in my life. And I'm just hanging out, gonna get some work done today. And this, of course, definitely is Maddie's. Let me see what she ordered. Let me see if I can go in here without her knowing that. Oh, it's tapered down. Let me get some scissors. She's not gonna mind. She loves sharing as well. She just don't want to share personally herself, but she don't mind me showing it off and letting y'all know what she got. Okay. These are some of the model ones. These are
like, what you call it, gel, nail gel, but it's like the glitter kind. So that is so cute. Nice packaging too, that's really cute. Anywho, let's get this put back up and let me show you the final item. You know, I talked about when we were in the closet the other day, showing off the little purses that we got. Y'all, the little purses are so cute. So that's what prompted me to buy this last item here. A tiny wallet. I needed a tiny wallet to go in the tiny purses. And I know I may not be able to even put all my stuff in here, but I'm going to try. Let's see. Isn't she cute? How about that? Oh, she's cute. Okay. It's like fake Gucci. It's not fake Gucci, but it's like a replica design. And this is just like a little accordion, so you can stick your cards in here, your money. Now I have a couple things that I'm probably gonna have to put in the little zipper pouch on the purse, because I also carry my little credit card swiper, because you never know when your girl out in the street, you know, somebody might want to buy a Sweet Angel CD or something. Hey, I'm willing to always swipe their card. And just taking the little paper off the hardware there, and there she is, so cute. So I'm going to put all my little stuff in here and see how it works out. But that is so adorable. And really, that's it, beautiful babies. I just want to pop in, share these items with you, and I'll let you know what's going on. I will probably come back because I do have to do my Simply Earth unboxing today, so y'all know what's in it, so you'll know who somebody gonna win something for sure. I still have a giveaway going on, so be ready for that. And I do have my empties to do. And y'all, I really want to start my favorites. That's something that I'll be doing as I'm using those particular products. I'll go ahead and record that snippet so you'll see me bouncing around all over the place. Okay, well that's it. I'm out of here. I'll see you on the next video, which you know won't be long because I'm doing overtime with this stuff. You feel what I'm saying? All right, beautiful babes, go ahead, like, comment, subscribe, and share your girl with your world. Go watch some more videos. Yeah, go watch some more videos. Bye.